Hi everyone. So Manju here, and I'm going to answer the question number one. And the question is that how I can meaningfully engage my child, a child who is running around. So I will also post the question in the description box so that you get the exact words and you can hear my answer then. So my answer is that first, the parent, as a parent, you have to make sure that you are calm. You are not when the child is newly diagnosed or very small. Mostly you will see that you are in a disturbed state. So please make sure that you are in a calm state. Please do not worry, your child will do very well in life. So you come to a calm state and relax, and then only it will be it will be easy for you to help your child. So most of the time, if we are not in a calm state, it reflects in the child, and the child will seem to be running around and more hyper. So it's very important that we are in a calm state. The second thing is, as your child needs movement, that is a very very natural thing. But when there is a kind of child is diagnosed with ADHD or autism or any developmental delay, mostly you will see that that kind of calming down is less, and there is more of a movement, and there are reasons behind it. We will not go in details, but the idea is the body awareness is less. So that is also one of the reason. So what I say is that as your child wants to move around, so let's do some activities related to moving around. Like you can do one activity wherein you can say ready, steady, go, and you both are running together. Okay, so like that you can do walking together, holding hands, and sing a song and walk together. Like there are so many songs. I think one song is Walking in a Jungle, kind of a song is there in YouTube. So you can search that. So put music, do dancing together with the child, and maybe the child needs just to move around and use his body in the more active he wants to be. So it's okay. There's nothing wrong in that. But through the moment, we can do a lot of. Meaningfully we can use it. So one more thing you can do is, you can build a hurdle in your house. Like you can put some chairs, some bean bags, some pillows, some what else, some stools and all. And you can do one activity of like crawling under the chair, climbing the stool and walking. Like that activities you can do, wherein the whole body is in movement, so that your sons or your daughters, this thing, I mean, satisfaction is also there, that they are moving their body, plus they are also mindfully doing it. Plus you can use lot of words, you can sing a rhyme, you can do some action. Like for example, when the your child is crawling, then you can also crawl with along with your child and use the word crawling, so he learns a new word. So like that you can use that situations as well. So these things you can try. And the idea is that if your child is moving, you can do more moving activities yourself: dancing, movement, running, chasing as well. Like for example, you are saying that I am going to tickle you, and your child is already running, so you are running behind your child and saying that I am going to tickle you, and you are having a lot of fun with it. So these things you can do with your child to make it meaningful. All the best. In case you have few further questions, please put a new question number following the previous question, and add it on the Telegram group so that I can answer it next week. Thank you.